Hey, I've got this really lightweight headlamp I want to show you. The brand did send this to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. All right. We're going to turn the lights off in just a second, but you press it one time, it's going to light up. 2 times, it's going to dim it down. 3 times, we've got this strobe effect. And then the 4th time turns it off. The other button right here, so if I push this button, I've got a tail light. I can turn the tail light on. I can turn it, I can dim it, and then I can go onto the strobe effect right there. That right there is gonna be great for walking at night on the road or riding your bike. They do give you a little USB-C charging cord. You gotta have your own cube, charge it right there. Okay, so it's pretty dark in here. There's a little light, but let's go ahead and, yeah, check that out. That's a pretty bright light. That's dimming it. There's the strobe effect. Let's go ahead and light it up. So you can see this is a nice 230-degree angle. That's great for working, hiking, just spending any kind of time outdoors, camping, working outside, just navigating. You're going to be able to go where you need to go. It's a really good light. Also, right here on normal headlamps, you've got that heavy lamp and it pulls down on your head and it's just kind of a little bit of a pain. This is just a flat band, right? So you don't have anything pulling. And if you want to throw your hat on over top of this temporarily because it's cold, you can do that. Or you could go ahead and throw this on top of the hat. All right. So they did a great job with this. Definitely check these out. That's my quick review and thanks for watching.